For this reaction, I will be using muriatic acid, which is just dilute hydrochloric acid, in pennies, which I'm putting in right now. Before I did that, though, I sanded off the thin layer of copper on the side of the pennies until I could see the silvery zinc on the inside. Pennies made after 1982 are mostly made out of zinc but have a copper coating on the outside, so don't try doing this with pennies that were made before 1982. As you can see, there are lots of bubbles coming off of the pennies, especially on the sides that I sanded them. This is because the hydrochloric acid, or muriatic acid, is reacting with the zinc on the inside of the penny to form zinc chloride, which should be dissolving into the solution. It's also making some hydrogen gas, which you can see as the bubbles. The next day, I came back and took the pennies out of the hydrochloric acid. Hopefully, they should be hollow and thin enough to cut with scissors. Just to be safe, I got some baking soda and put it into water with the pennies to neutralize any leftover hydrochloric acid. The pennies are definitely shiny, but the question is, are they hollow? Since modern pennies have only a thin layer of copper on the outside, they should be paper thin and easy to cut. The penny split easily, so now I have a batch of hollow pennies that I can look inside of, cut, or really do anything with, except for sell them. Thanks for watching!